In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Workspace to Squarespace. We'll start right inside your Squarespace site so you can connect professional email quickly and let Squarespace handle the technical setup for you. Make sure you're logged into the correct site, and if you manage multiple sites, double check you're in the one you want to use for your email. From your site dashboard, look toward the bottom left and open the settings area by clicking the settings icon. This is where all your website and account options live. In the settings menu, find and open domains and email. This section centralizes everything related to your domain and email configuration, so it's the perfect place to begin linking Google Workspace. Inside domains and email, select Google Workspace. Squarespace integrates directly with Google, which means you won't have to manually add DNS records or MX entries later. Squarespace takes care of that in the background. Next, click the button labeled Get a Domain. Even if you already have a name in mind, this flow helps Squarespace pair your Google Workspace mailboxes with a domain and set up the routing automatically. In the search field, type the domain name you want to use for your business email. For example, your brand name with a suitable extension. Take a moment to check spelling and consider a few variations in case your first choice isn't available. From the search results, select the domain that best matches what you're looking for. You'll typically see different extensions and prices. Choose the one that fits your brand and budget. Selecting it will prepare your cart and show you the services connected to that choice. Now, click Checkout. Here you can review the domain, pricing, and the Google Workspace connection. This is a good time to confirm your billing details and make sure everything looks right. If privacy or WHOIS protection is offered for the domain, ensure it's set the way you prefer before proceeding. Before you finalize, choose your term length. You can usually pick a monthly or annual option. Annual terms often simplify renewals and budgeting, while monthly terms can be more flexible. Consider how you plan to grow your team and email needs over the next year when deciding. Once you've selected the term length and confirmed your details, Squarespace will kick off the provisioning process with Google Workspace and handle the technical setup for you. That's all there is to it. Your domain and Google Workspace are now connected through Squarespace, setting you up for a professional email presence tied neatly to your site.